Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this gold headpiece on Dress to Impress. So you don't need VIP for this. We're just going to select this one, and I'm going to be using this. Actually, I might make the gold a little bit more orange and bright here. Okay, maybe not that bright. Maybe like this color, and I'm just going to color it the same for everything, like that. And then we are going to need this one in the 8th toggle here in that same color. I might add like a metallic sheen to that. And then we are going to use the crown. Actually, let's use this one first in that same gold color. And then we will be using this crown. Maybe I should have like a hair that shows a little bit better. Like that. There we go. And that is how you can create this really cool gold headpiece on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Sorry, I'm just trying to match everything. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.